In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js on Hostinger. This process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few steps, ensuring that you get your environment set up and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger homepage. If you're unsure about where to find this, simply open your preferred web browser and search for Hostinger. Upon landing on the site, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This will typically be located in the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Login option. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here you'll see various options, but for our purpose today, click on VPS. VPS hosting is critical as it allows for a dedicated environment in which you can run your Node.js applications. Clicking on VPS will present a set of VPS plans and configurations. This is where you can select the plan that best suits your needs. After choosing your VPS configuration, you'll notice a Get Now button. By pressing this, you'll begin the setup process for your VPS. Follow the on-screen prompts, ensuring that all your selections align with your project requirements. This often includes choosing the correct amount of RAM, storage, and other specifications. When you've made your selections, continue by clicking Next. This will guide you further into the configuration process. At this point, take your time to ensure you've reviewed all your choices, as once you finalize the setup, changes can be more complicated to implement. As you proceed, you'll eventually reach the stage where you need to select the operating system for your VPS. Look around for a Show More option. This is essential, as clicking it reveals additional setups you can utilize. Here you'll find Node.js as an available option. Selecting Node.js ensures that your VPS is prepared to run applications written in this environment right out of the gate. Once you've selected Node.js, continue through any remaining steps to finalize and confirm your server setup. This will typically involve some verification steps and may require payment if you haven't yet subscribed. Complete the process by ensuring all information is correct, and then confirm your purchase and server setup. Soon, your Hostinger VPS will be equipped with Node.js ready for development. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've equipped your VPS hosting with Node.js using Hostinger. This provides a stable and powerful environment for building and deploying your Node.js applications. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and as always, happy coding!